Ladies and gentlemen, Matthew Davis, aka CrashFan1512. And Mariomario722. And CrashFan1512. And Tommy Pickles Fan 1992, even though he's not here. But he's an awesome guy. And Eric Cartman. Stewie Griffin. And we also have Darwin Watterson. Johnny Test.
Got you.
Phineas and Ferb.
Phineas and Ferb. Or no, Barney the dinosaur.
The Teletubbies. Little Einsteins.
The Explorer.
Dora the Explorer. Beavis and Butthead.
The Simpsons. Oh yeah, I got one.
What?
Nelson Mutz.
Milhouse Van Houten. Stewie beating the living shit out of Nelson. Bart Simpson being an asshole to Stewie after Stewie beats up everybody that he hates.
Camcorder. What?
Oh, I got one. Fanboy and Chum Chum. Emmer Prevost.
Cool Duder.
Where'd Sterling go?
There.
Anyway, since I'm sure Sterling will be back soon, but anyways, let's get into some movies now. Insidious. Back to the Future. King Kong from 2005. White Chicks. Pinocchio's Revenge. Son of the Mask. The Last Airbender. South Park Bigger Longer Uncut. Little Shop of Horrors. The Lego Movie. Transformers Age of Extinction. Let's see. Let's name some other people who are coming here. Okay, we have performances by Michael Jackson. And after that, we have Justin Bieber. One Direction. Miley Cyrus. Introducing Adventure Time. Introducing SpongeBob. Introducing BYW-able. HGWQHGEO3. Faded Holy Soldier. Blaze the Movie Fan. Derek Yasha. I guess that's pretty much it. Word out.